Hello friends, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. So today we will be making an animation from the comfort of our own home. Firstly, you will need some plain white size A4 paper, some color pencils or pens, a pair of scissors, and some paper clips. So first thing that you need to do is cut the paper in half. I have already prepared my paper before starting this video. When we stay ready, we don't have to get ready. We will also need a camera. You can use the camera of your phone or your tablet. Next, you will need to download this app. It's called Stop Motion. We will use it to shoot our animation. For our home animation studio, you will need to take a regular size cardboard box and cut a big square on the side of it for the light to pass through. Then create a hole for the camera at the top of the box. That way when you are filming, your device will be steady. Now, to make animation, we have to understand how it all works. Animators, people who create animation, work for a long time to create magic on screen. A 10-second animated clip can take a whole day to create, sometimes even longer. For a whole cartoon to be finished can easily take more than a year. Animation is a way of making a movie from many still images. The images are put together one after another and then played at a fast speed to give the illusion of movement. Most animations are played at a speed of 24 to 60 images every second. Each image becomes one frame of the movie. So each single piece of paper that we draw on is a frame. As you can see, I'm drawing each frame. And I go back to the previous image to use as reference, so I know where my character is moving. Once you have finished drawing all of your frames, open the Stop Motion app on your device and place your camera on top of your box so that the image you see on the screen is facing inside the box. Now, on the left hand side of the screen, you see an onion feature. And that just helps us to guide for our next frame. Now, as you can see, each time I put a frame inside a box, I tap the record button on the right hand side. I tap it once and it takes a photo of my frame. Then I place the next frame on top and click the red button again. And then so on and so on until I have all of my frames shot together. So I decided that my animation is going to be a character coming into the screen and then jumping into a flight into the sky. Maybe he's a ninja. Or maybe he saw a cat stuck in a tree and he decided to help it. We don't know. And here we go. In this case, a 14 page or 14 frames is what took to make only 2 seconds of the video. In the settings of the app, you can adjust the speed of your animation. So I want to try to make another animation, and I'm going to be using the other side of the paper from my previous frames. So I decided my animation this time is going to be a flower that is going to grow and blossom and is going to lose one of its petals. So as you can see, I am drawing the stem of the flower that is growing. I'm going back often to the previous image to see the correct placement of the stem. And as you can see, on each image or each frame, I am drawing the flower bit by bit, just as it grows. Add some petals as well. Now little by little, one of the red petals is going to be falling on the ground. And once again, I open the stop motion app, I choose new movie, I tap where it says to add pictures, and there we go. We place the light near the square that we've cut out for the light to pass through. We set up our camera, onion feature on the left hand side, and here we go, the first frame. Just adjusting some light. There we go, took a first snap of the first frame. Second frame, third frame. As you can see, the stem of the flower keeps growing. There we go, I finished all of my frames. Now I go back, and this is my animation. Again, 2 seconds, and I think it took about 14 frames. So your animation can be simple and short like my one, or you can add a little bit more details, you can add more frames and make it longer. Really let your imagination and your creativity flow. It is all up to you.